Are you ready to master the art of data analysis and become a data analyst? My name is Tayson, a senior data analyst with 10 years of experience in insurance and healthcare sector. In my career, I have seen countless individuals struggle to land their dream job because they couldn't solve real-world data problems. That's why I created this crash course with best structured learning paths available. In this course, you will have access to over 11 hours of content, 7 practical lab plus 2 capstone projects. You will learn end-to-end data analytic lifecycle using R for pre-processing the data, summarizing data for calculating KPIs and metrics, tackle advanced data problems like time intelligence analysis, draw key insight through powerful visualization technique. I can't wait to see you in R for data analysis course and see what you can achieve after finishing the course. Enroll now and let's advance your career to the next level.